Hey guys, I am JD down here at Guaranty RV here in Junction City. Today we are looking at a used 2017 model 232 ESP. Now this unit is perfect if you got a small quad, dirt bike, anything you kind of need to get there, and then you can take them off and get on your ride. But we're going to start on the outside and go around it. So first thing we got is the two 5-gallon propane tanks. Behind that we're going to get one 12-volt battery. Now these rails will fully come off and you can use them for ramps to get everything in and off. Then on to the side we're going to get a grab handle, the little antenna, the main stereo speakers for the outside, and we're going to get the portable water. Okay, we'll get a small power supply here, and then basically on this rail goes a camping grill, and then underneath that is going to be your propane plug-in. Okay, on to the back we're going to get the spare tire right underneath, and then on to the further side we're going to get the actual satellite and cable hookup. And then we're going to get a small little pass-through that you can get onto the inside. And then on this, we are going to get the outdoor shower. So if you're at the coast, getting a little dirty, you can wash off without getting the inside filthy. We're going to get the main power supply. We're going to get also another propane line on this side, and then the rest of the water connections. And then this unit is going to weigh 2,700 pounds. So the inside is going to be very spacious, and then you will have a nice little slide out that really gives you a lot of walking around space. When you first come into the trailer, we're going to get basically the huge king size bed, get a little storage underneath the sink, the 3-stove burner, the dinette that will drop down makes into another bed if you need the space. We're going to get a little more storage all the way around here, and then right here as well, another good sized bed. And if you need that bathroom shower, you do have it. Now if we have questions on any of the A-frames or tent trailers that we do have, give me a call, give me a text at 541-954-4683. Thanks guys.